Hey guys, welcome back to a very special episode we got for you today. Haven't done electronic stuff in a while because one, my eyes are getting really bad for electronic stuff, and so such is life, I suppose. Anyway, what we have today is a multi-plug, and there's a rocker switch on here that's now broken. The problem is, um, instead of just replacing a mechanical unit from the inside of this, it's easier to just replace the plugs. But the plugs are soldered in this way, so we have to remove the solder in order to get it out. All right, just want to go over how to do that real quick. Oh, that was out of frame, but anyway, we desoldered the connector pins so that way we could remove this switch housing. So these are one-way, kind of like inserts, and we're going to replace it with a similar unit extracted from another device. I don't know if you can see that, but this is where the hot comes in. Well, I think I don't know what the hell that is. That's the swivel point, and that's neutral. So we need to have this connected with this. Yeah. So this needs to be hot, in other words. And for our new switch, this is the hot connector. So let's hope it works. There, fixed. All right, hope that helps you.